Hi everybody, Earl here coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Look what we got. That's right, 1968 Charger, triple black. They don't get any more iconic than that. This thing is powered by a 440, 375 horsepower with the 727 auto torque transmission. And come on. What a nice car. It's also got an 8 3/4 rear end. Air-conditioned car, power steering, power brakes, power windows, was fully restored 10 years ago, shows 17,000 miles since the restoration. It's got 5,000 or less miles on the 440 engine that was put in here. This car was born truly with an F-code car, meaning this car came with a 318 engine and has been modified to what you're looking at today. Super, super nice car with the factory gauges. I mean, just done right. We're gonna go through it. I'll let you be the judge. It's got the Magnum wheels. I mean, just center console. Let's look. Paint is deep. Look at that, straight. The body is laser straight. You can see me. I see you. Look at that. Straight as an arrow. Everything is working the way it should. Actually, the heater is not working, but it will be working. It's got to be just a fan switch. We're going to bring it in the shop and check it out. Look how it lines up. Those are painted on stripes. Black vinyl top. Good shape all the way through. Look at that. Straight car. Clean underneath. Lights are working correctly, the hideaways. Fog lights are working. All your chrome bumpers are well in good shape. Hood lines up great. Wipers are working. Glass is good. The vinyl top is in good shape all the way through. Sport mirrors and vents. All your chrome is good. Car line's great. All the way down. I'll get down so everybody could see. This is a winner. All your glass on the passenger and driver's side is good. No flaws in the paint that I could see. A couple little swirlies here. I'll see if my guy could touch them up. Can't really see them when you're a little bit away. All the way down, nice stripe. Rear bumper good. All your lights are working. Underneath is nice. Dual exhaust with some headers. Sounds really good. This 440 was built really nice. Got a lot of torque. I just drove it. A lot of performance. I think it's a lot more than 375 horse. Trunk lines up good. Rear quarter, good shape. A couple little touch-ups here. We'll touch that up. Chrome around the window, good. This door lines up great all the way down. No brakes in it, it's really nice. Front fender, great. Wheels are in great shape. Those Magnum wheels are just gorgeous. Triple black. Inside the cabin, no rust to be found anywhere. Back seats with seat belts intact. Rear deck is good. It's got an upgraded radio inside. Headliner's in real good shape. Passenger seats in good shape. Center console. Floor mats. Power windows have been installed. Just love this car. 17,423. All your gauges are working the way they should. Upgraded sound system. There is a crack in the dash. Your sun visors are there. $150-mile-an-hour speedometer. Nice. Step left. Just nice. All your lights inside are working. Check out this trunk. Car cover comes with the car. Look at your quarters. Look at all your gaps. Done right. All your weather strippings are done in good shape all the way throughout the car. Trunk is in very good condition. No stories back there. Yeah, let me get in there. Just solid. Nice. There's your magic. 440. All your hoses, all your belts, all your wires, done right. Nice set of headers. Really got a great sound. Clean, clean, clean. Hideaway headlights are working. There's a few things we found that weren't working that will be working through our PDI, our pre-delivery inspection. That's the wrong key. Let's try the right key. Usually helps. It drove outstanding. It really did. It was tight. It had no noises, nothing of anything. you're looking to do some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 625 to a 739, go directly to my website, MGM Classic Cars. That's MGM Classic Cars, and hit apply now where the car is located. We could go up to 84 months. Minimum down payment is 10%. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. That's lightstream.com. Generally an approval within 24 hours. Again, 84 months with great rates. If you're looking for shipping quotes, enclosed or open, we ship all over the United States. You could text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We have over 120 cars in stock, ready for immediate delivery. 100 photos, our videos, description and pricing is on there. We are located in Addison, Illinois, and we are open from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, Saturday from 10 until 2, by appointment only. My name is Earl. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook at Tri-State Auto Wholesalers, MGM Classics. You could reach me at 773-600-0919. Thanks for spending a little bit of time with me. We got more to come. Thanks.